Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. So as you all already know that we are working on a new project, as I've already notified people on Instagram. So if you aren't following, the link is in the description. So today we are going to discuss uh, a new series we are going to start, and the first video on it is going to be on linear regression model, as the series focuses on basic machine learning models. So let's get started without any further delay. So let's go. As we know, linear regression is a linear model, a model that has a linear relationship between an input variable and a single output variable. We can calculate the linear combination of an input variable with respect to output variable, and we can establish a relationship between them. So this is what is a linear regression model. A linear equation works on the line formula, which is y equal to mx plus c, and we have the definite and indefinite variable here. Y is the definite variable and x is the indefinite variable. So in order to establish a relationship here, we use this formula, which has two coefficient b0 and b1, and we use this equation to find our dependent variable. As you can see from this graph which is being formed here, we plot the dependent variable versus independent variable, which gives us a regression line which is made from the line formula, and error terms which gives us the error in the our model. And when we come to the coding part, you will understand what are the tiny details. So let's move on to it without any further. So coming to the coding part, first we import the necessary libraries like pandas, numpy, sklearn, and from sklearn we import the linear regression model. And coming to the next cell, we make a variable data, which with the help of read CSV function, we import the data set which is in CSV format from insurance.csv, and we display the first five data using the head function given by the pandas library. So as we already know that computers only understand numerical data. So we since we have the data in the categorical part, so we convert it into numerical data, like for whether the person is a smoker, we if he is a smoker, we give him a variable numerical value of 8, and if he is not, then 7. So rest part you can understand, it's fairly easy. So as you can see, I've displayed more of this data. Now I made a variable model and called the linear regression function on it, and then I will fit it with the data, like age, sex, BMI, smoker, children, region, and which will be the input data, and the output data will be what will be the insurance charges. So I've trained it with this one, and the output data will be charges. So after fitting the data on it, I get this response, which is, as you can see, this is the throwback you can see. So then coming to the next cell, we predict the value on a random value. Like for age, we have given 16, like is a male. Like I've already seen you, like how I've converted you. So you can refer, I've converted categorical data into numerical data. So you can refer to it. So understand more of how, what value I've given. So then it predicted the what is the value of insurance charges. So here is the prediction in an array. So that's all for the coding part. So that's pretty much it about this video. In the next video, we will continue with our ML models, and most probably it will be logistic regression. So thank you guys, and if you like this content, kindly like, share, and subscribe.